putting the team first. But look, he's come out, he's a Ballon d'Or holder, he's arguably their best player, the most important player for them. But when you say those things, you have to lead the line right tonight. You've got to put in a performance. You've got to be the person that says, okay, if I'm digging out my team, whoever it might be, he didn't name anybody, but don't be afraid if they put the finger back at you. So he's got to lead the line and have a solid performance. He's not wrong in what he's saying, but he has to be on top form tonight.
Is individualism costing them, George, you think?
It is, I've got no problem with it, so I think it's great. You're a top player like him, Ballon d'Or.
Weekend. What kind of threat do you think he can be tonight? Because he's trying to rediscover his best form there.
He's gone there and straight away, 2 goals and one was very, very good finish. Playing the left hand side, positive 1v1. What I liked about him, he's gone there for confidence. He pulled out a lot of step over the weekend. So that tells me as a wide player he's good to go. But going back to why he didn't play too much at Sunderland and maybe perhaps the defensive side of the game, this is PSG. He's going to have to add that element, but there's no doubt he's a threat and on the counter-attack as well.
Okay, and Safanov in goal for PSG.
Hello?
One of the problems this season is the way that they
Harry, what's sorry?
It just hasn't worked out for them in goal this season.
It hasn't really worked out. He's a good goalkeeper.
I can't hear you talking.
Character, his presence. So he needs a big game for PSG. What he needs is a big game, a big save.
This program is brought to you by Heineken, the Champions League official partner.
Welcome back. We have 2 huge Champions League playoff first leg ties about to get underway here on TNT Sports. Over on 3, Borussia Dortmund will take on Atalanta. That game, though, has been delayed to 15 minutes due to the late arrival of the Dortmund team. Our focus here on one, though, is the all-French clash between Monaco and PSG. We're also going to bring you highlights from Benfica against Real Madrid from 10 o'clock as well. But in the Principality, the players on their way out for this one. So let's join our commentary team this evening. Let's have a look alongside Massive Face. Good evening, Jeff.
Good evening, Lindsay. Good evening, everyone. On Friday night, and it bruised a few egos, and Ousmane Dembele, who is looking for his 20th assist in the competition, rattled a few cages afterwards. Magnus Akliouche wearing 11 there, scored on his Champions League debut last season.
What song you on the phone to? You don't start the cup on. You stop and you cup on. No, you're not playing for us, so we'll just have a little laugh with you. No, don't start fucking up. It's the only fucking thing that we all have to hope 6 of us have. You don't start that. Do 11 next year, but give over this year. No, we all have a little laugh, we all have a little joke, and it's a good game all together. It's not the same without one of us missing. It's not the same. It's not. And you know it's not. It's one thing that we actually have. It's not every day we can look into the house. It's not every day we can all have the... There's no kids, there's no nothing. We can laugh, joke and just watch each other play. You know, right, you know, I'm not being smart, you were in the wrong there. But leave it. Right, leave it. Let bygones be bygones. If you have a problem... Brother. It's going to keep happening. As you said, we all said. We all said fucking win. That was a stupid shot.
So early, but still a long way to go. This Paris Saint-Germain side have got something to hold on to.
No, enjoy it. now, no, last week, no, in all fairness, you were a bit loud. No, you honestly were. No, but you're not like that every week. And every other week, you're fucking great. You're absolutely great, but last week you were, even when I was taking a right second last game, and even going down to shot, I was like, Daniel, give over. Stop telling me just do it. Like, that was the only week now you're doing it in a very long time now. Now, last week you were a little, like, now just relax. But other than that, it's great going with this. It's good to know, like, what shots are putting off, who's going to slack who's going to have a lap, who's the first hand into the platter, who's running out for a smoke. You know, it's all of it.
Step back to Batinia. He can hit it from the edge of the penalty area.
Right, come on then. Come on. Move it. Hello? Yeah, look at something like it. Probably was problem with that old little push. Oh, you must get some up to it. Who would you go with on the go PSG? Did you want noodles? Yeah, I think you need a noodle each. Did you eat a noodle yourself? No, the only person is the yolk is one, that's what I'm saying. Hello. What you forward? Do you pay it? Oh, what? Why do you get 42 forwards and the right 5 minutes? I thought you meant like the noodles out of the shop.
Very easy there, but
Right.
you as a white man on the opposite side, you've got to be breaking your neck to get in that back post.
Second short.
You get them, mate? No, that's the only thing we want to try and drink. And I'll go in and go in and cancel the joke then. I thought that would be all last for all parties, yeah. I don't know how funny that. Oh my God, come on.
Many champions have failed to win their last 3 games in the Champions League. Wonder it's over the line, really. Very early on. I don't know if he thought that was the right decision or not. It didn't matter. Really well against PSG in the Parc de France. Maybe could have won it.
Where am I?
Coming is João Neves. He arrived at just the right time. It was narrowly over the top. He's claiming a deflection. The referee's given a goal kick.
Yeah, you sense they're getting closer, aren't they? In and around that D area, they're getting bodies in there and they're finding the right pass at the right time. Just couldn't stay over it, Neves. Again, good pressure from Monaco defence, but expecting to hit the target from there. Just starting to assert themselves. Some holes, some pockets just popping up for them.
Suggested there, maybe João Neves, that he was caught after the ball was gone.
You want to help him?
Talking yesterday, João Neves, about not being involved in the training session the day before, and he wasn't 100% fit. He declared himself ready to play in this game.
watching.